Fire and forget Python async/await. Sometimes there is some non-critical asynchronous operation that needs to happen, but I don't want to wait for it to complete. In Tornado's coroutine implementation, you can fire and forget an asynchronous function by simply omitting the yield keyword. I've been trying to figure out how to fire and forget with the new async/await syntax released in Python 3.5. For example, a simplified code snippet. What happens though is that bar never executes and instead we get a runtime warning.
UPD. Replace asyncio.ensure_future with asyncio.create_task everywhere. If you're using Python is greater than or equal to 3.7, it's a newer, nicer way to spawn tasks. Asyncio.task to fire and forget. According to Python docs for asyncio.task, it is possible to start some coroutine to execute in the background. The task created by asyncio.ensure_future won't block the execution, therefore the function will return immediately. This looks like a way to fire and forget as you requested. Output. What if tasks are executing after the event loop is completed? Note that asyncio expects tasks to be completed at the moment the event loop completes. So if you will change main to you'll get this warning after the program finished. To prevent that, you can just await all pending tasks after the event loop is completed. Kill tasks instead of awaiting them. Sometimes you don't want to await tasks to be done. For example, some tasks may be created to run forever. In that case, you can just cancel them instead of awaiting them. Output.
Output. Here is the simple decorator function which pushes the execution to background and line of control moves to next line of the code. The primary advantage is, you don't have to declare the function as await. Note, check my other answer which does the same using plain thread without asyncio.
This is not entirely asynchronous execution, but maybe run _in_ executor is suitable for you.
For some reason, if you are unable to use asyncio, then here is the implementation using plain threads. Check my other answers and Sergey's answer too. Produces.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.